When it comes to metal stamping, one of the biggest decisions isn't just what part you're making, it's what material are you making it out of. Because here's the truth, the metal you choose affects everything: durability, performance, corrosion resistance, even cost. And pick the wrong one? Well, that mistake can cost you way more than just dollars. It can cost you production time, customers, and even peace of mind. At Talan Products, we've been stamping metal since 1986. Trust me, we've seen it all. So today, let's walk through some of the most common materials used in stamping, their strengths, their quirks, and even when you might want to use them. Let's start with the classics, carbon steel. It's strong, affordable, and versatile, basically the workhorse of metal stamping. Depending on how much carbon is in the steel, you've got options. Low carbon steels like 1008, 1010, well, they're super easy to form and weld, great for automotive and general industrial applications. Then there's medium carbon steels like 1045, 1050, more strength and hardness, but less ductile. Then the high carbon steels like 1070, 1095, really hard and strong, but less malleable, perfect for springs and cutting tools. So carbon steel covers everything from easy and cheap to tough and durable. Next up, high strength low alloy steel, or HSLA. Think of HSLA as carbon steel that hit the gym. You get higher strength with less weight, ideal for automotive parts, heavy equipment, and anything structural. It's stronger, more corrosion resistant, and easier to weld than plain carbon steel. Grades like HSLA 50 or 70 give you options depending on how tough your part needs to be. Now let's talk about coated steels, which are basically steel with a protective jacket. These are your go-to materials when corrosion resistance is key. Galvanized, zinc-coated for rust protection, great for construction, HVAC, and automotive. Galvannealed, heat-treated for a matte finish that's awesome for paint adhesion. Galvalume, aluminum zinc-coated for next-level corrosion protection. Electro-galvanized, thinner, smoother zinc coating, nice clean surface. Aluminized steel, coated with aluminum silicone, perfect for high heat applications like exhaust systems. If your part needs to fight off rust and look good doing it, coated steels are your friend. Of course, we can't forget stainless steel. This is what you pick when corrosion resistance and strength are non-negotiable. 300 series like 304, 316, these are non-magnetic, super corrosion resistant, perfect for food processing, medical, and marine. 400 series like 410, 430, magnetic, good wear resistance, you'll see it in appliances and automotive trim. 17-4 pH, a precipitation-hardened stainless that combines strength and toughness for aerospace and demanding industrial uses. Stainless steel. It's tougher to stamp than carbon steel, but if your part has to survive the elements, stainless is worth it. Now let's lighten things up a bit, literally, with aluminum. Aluminum is strong, corrosion resistant, and most importantly, lightweight. It's perfect when reducing weight matters, like in aerospace, automotive, and transportation. Common grades can include 1100, pure aluminum, great for deep drawing. 3003, stronger than 1100, used in roofing, siding, cookware. 5052, high strength and corrosion resistant, especially in marine environments. 6061, heat treatable and very strong, popular in aerospace and for structural parts. If your part needs electrical or thermal conductivity, copper and copper alloys are the stars. Pure copper, extremely conductive, ideal for electrical applications. Brass, copper plus zinc, a nice balance of strength, corrosion resistance, and workability. Bronze, copper alloyed with tin or aluminum, strong and wear resistant. You'll see all of these in electronics, connectors, and HVAC components. And then there's the specialty metals. Nickel alloys, like Inconel or Monel, for high temperature and aerospace applications. Phos bronze, beryllium copper. Also specialty metals used for all kinds of applications in the electrical field. Titanium, lightweight and incredibly strong, used in medical implants and aerospace. These aren't everyday stamping materials, but when your project demands extreme performance, they are go-to solutions. With all these options, how do you know which material is right for your stamped part? It depends on your priorities. Do you need maximum strength, lightweight performance, corrosion resistance, electrical conductivity, or maybe just the most cost-effective option that gets the job done? At Talan Products, we don't just run the presses. We help you to make these decisions through our early supplier involvement program. We provide design for manufacturability insights to make sure you're not overspending or under-designing before your tooling is built. So when it comes to metal stamping, material selection is one of the most important choices you'll make. And with the decades of experience across every type of material, we can help you choose the perfect fit for your project. Because the right material isn't just about the cost today. It's about performance, reliability, and value over the long haul.